Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Rustic Mediterranean style combines the warmth and texture of a rustic aesthetic with the elegance and sophistication of the Mediterranean. Here's a breakdown of what this unique living room design might look like. Color palette: earthy tones, think terracotta, beige, olive green, and brown. These colors evoke the natural beauty of the Mediterranean landscape. Accents of blue and white bring in pops of Aegean blue and crisp white for a coastal feel reminiscent of Greek islands. Furniture: rustic wood pieces. Opt for furniture made from reclaimed wood, distressed finishes, and wrought iron accents. Think chunky coffee tables, comfortable armchairs, and a large credenza. Upholstery in natural fabrics. Choose sofas and armchairs upholstered in linen, cotton, or textured fabrics like boucle. Flooring: terracotta tiles. Classic terracotta tiles with a worn-in patina add a rustic charm. Exposed wood beams. If you have a high ceiling, consider exposed wood beams for a touch of rustic character. Walls: textured plaster. Opt for textured plaster walls in a warm neutral color for a rustic feel. Stone accents. Create a focal point with a stone accent. Wall behind the fireplace or TV decor: wrought iron elements. Introduce wrought iron chandeliers, sconces, or decorative mirrors for a touch of Mediterranean flair. Woven baskets and rugs. Add warmth and texture with woven baskets and natural fiber rugs. Earthenware pottery. Display decorative pottery pieces in warm colors and classic Mediterranean motifs. Wrought iron candle holders. Place wrought iron candle holders with chunky candles for a touch of ambience. Lighting: wrought iron chandeliers. A wrought iron chandelier adds a touch of elegance and drama. Lanterns. Consider hanging lanterns or placing them on coffee tables for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Textiles: throw pillows and blankets. Layer throw pillows and blankets in a mix of textures and patterns like stripes, geometric prints, and florals inspired by Mediterranean tiles. Linen curtains. Dress the windows with lightweight linen curtains in a natural color that allows sunlight to filter through. Overall vibe: the key to achieving a rustic Mediterranean living room is to create a warm, inviting, and comfortable space with a touch of old-world charm. It should feel like a relaxed retreat that evokes the beauty of the Mediterranean coast. There are many reasons why you might choose a rustic Mediterranean design for your living room. Warm and inviting atmosphere. This style prioritizes natural materials and earthy tones, creating a warm and inviting space that feels like a cozy retreat. Timeless appeal. Rustic elements and classic Mediterranean design features have enduring style. This look won't go out of fashion quickly. Connection to nature. The focus on natural materials and colors brings the outdoors in, creating a calming and grounded atmosphere. Versatility. While rooted in a specific aesthetic, the style offers flexibility. You can incorporate more rustic elements or lean more towards the elegant Mediterranean side depending on your taste. Relaxed elegance. It avoids being overly formal. The rustic touches make it comfortable and lived in, while the Mediterranean influences add a touch of sophistication. Perfect for entertaining. The focus on comfort and inviting vibes makes it a perfect space for gatherings with friends and family. Evokes the Mediterranean lifestyle. If you dream of sunny days by the sea, this design brings a touch of that relaxed, coastal vibe into your home. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your rustic Mediterranean living room. 1. Inspiration gathering. Visualize, flip through magazines, browse online resources, and create a mood board to solidify the aesthetic you envision. Identify substyle. Within the rustic Mediterranean umbrella, there are variations. Do you lean more towards the Tuscan farmhouse vibe, or the breezy Greek island style? 2. Take stock of your space, measure and sketch. Measure your living room and sketch out a basic layout. Consider furniture placement, traffic flow, and any architectural features to highlight existing elements. Identify existing elements you want to keep or incorporate, like a fireplace, exposed beams, or flooring. 3. Lay the foundation, color palette. Choose your base colors from the earthy and blue/white options we discussed earlier. Consider the natural light in your space. Flooring. If a major renovation isn't in the cards, consider layering area rugs in natural fibers or terracotta tiles over existing flooring. For furniture selection, key pieces. Start with statement pieces like a rustic coffee table, a comfortable sofa, and a large credenza or sideboard. Opt for natural materials and consider reupholstering existing pieces if needed. Mixing and matching. Don't be afraid to mix and match new and vintage finds for a more personal touch. 5. Layer in the rustic Mediterranean charm. Textiles. Introduce throw pillows, blankets, and area rugs with classic Mediterranean patterns and textures like stripes and florals. Wrought iron. Incorporate wrought iron elements through chandeliers, sconces, or decorative mirrors. Natural materials. Layer in woven baskets, jute rugs, and earthy pottery pieces. Six. Lighting, warm and inviting. Opt for warm lighting with a mix of overhead fixtures like a wrought iron chandelier and table lamps with woven shades or terracotta bases. Lanterns. Consider hanging lanterns or placing them strategically for a touch of ambience. 7. Finishing touches. Accessorize. Decorate with artwork, photographs, or decorative objects that evoke the Mediterranean vibe. Think olive branches, seashells, or antique maps. Plants. Bring in greenery with potted plants like olive trees, palms, or ficus trees. Remember, this is a guideline. Don't be afraid to personalize your space and have fun with the process. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.